On Wednesday, members of the transport sector affiliated with TBJCS, WTA, RMS, TERMS under the Bharatiya Mazdoor Sangh BMS organized a Pet Yatra in celebration of BMS completing 70 years. The rally began from Nagarjala bus stand and passed through various roads of Agartala city. Speaking about the event, a labor leader stated that the BMS was founded on this very day to protect the rights of workers and to continue working in their interest. He also said that the organization's mission has always been to fight for the dignity and rights of laborers across the country. Highlighting the local context, the leader added that transport workers in the state had suffered heavily due to the prolonged 25-year rule of the left front, where they faced extreme exploitation. He also accused the then trade unions of neglecting workers' interest and blocking their livelihood. Now, this BMS taking several decisive decisions, the condition of the workers is beginning to improve and more initiatives will follow to secure their future. The rally also aimed to spread awareness among the founding vision of the BMS among the people of the capital city. The recovered vehicle was returned to its rightful owner the following day.
এটা মিছিল না, এটা হচ্ছে পদযাত্রা। আজকে ভারতীয় মজদুর সংঘের ৭০তম সোনালী ৭০ বছরের উপলক্ষে ভারতীয় মজদুর সংঘের বিভিন্ন শাখা ইউনিট, রেজিস্টার্ড ইউনিয়নগুলো আজকে আমরা একটা পদযাত্রার আয়োজন করেছি এবং আজকে সারা ভারতে উৎসাহ এবং উদ্দীপনার সাথে 1955 থেকে প্রতিষ্ঠিত ৭০ বছরের পূর্তি উপলক্ষে আমরা আজকে এই র্যালির আয়োজন এবং এই পদযাত্রার আয়োজন করেছি।